I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and getting straight to the noisy audio. Drag the video onto the timeline and unlink the audio so you can work on it independently. Once done, zoom the waveform to spot breaths, hums, or spikes. This helps you target fixes rather than applying blanket processing. Make sure to save a copy of the original track in a new layer. That way you can compare before and after and avoid irreversible changes while you proceed. You now use Clipchamp's built-in audio tools to remove noise without wrecking the voice. Select the audio, open audio options, and enable noise reduction. Nudge the intensity slowly, listening after each change so speech remains natural. Next, use the equalizer to reduce low-frequency hums between about 80 and 200 Hz and gently lower harshness near 4 to 8 kHz if sibilance appears. Once balanced, preview the full clip to ensure the voice stays clear and the background noise is minimized. You finish by evening out the audio so the dialogue sits cleanly in the mix. Apply mild compression and normalize to smooth peaks and raise quiet passages, and automate short fades at edits to avoid clicks. For isolated problem spots, draw a gain envelope and lower level rather than overprocessing the whole track. If you hear artifacts or synthetic remnants, reduce noise reduction intensity or switch back to the saved original and retry with gentler EQ and targeted fixes. That usually fixes overprocessing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.